Hi there, I'm Becca from Balance Bloom Life. Today I am here with my husband, Dan, and I thought it would be a great week to introduce you all to him because it is our 8th anniversary week. So before you click off of here, because obviously I don't have any makeup on, and what would we know about makeup, while I interview Dan about a husband's perspective mascara, he is going to be doing my makeup. And he's never done this before. I don't think he ever watches any of my videos, so stay tuned.
For the record, I've never grown up with sisters, so I do not know what I am doing whatsoever.
Well, not many people do.
I'm going to attempt to apply these things, colors, onto her face with some different brushes that she has
I have
acquired.
I have them all set up, but I'm making him even match my colors. I haven't
I'm
picked
gonna
up the
start
colors that
with
I want him to use.
This one,
Hey, that's
and
good.
I'm going to pick a dark color for contour,
Pretty good.
maybe.
How do you know that?
And I'm just gonna pick this one because I don't know. It's like a gray brown. I don't know the name.
That's a story.
I've heard that you run from here to here. So that's what I'm gonna do, is run from here to here. I don't think I have much
Yeah,
on there.
You're digging into the contours.
And apply. I'm gonna switch to a different one. Oh wow, that's really going on. So, getting that on now. Feel like that painter, Bob. What's his name?
We have Bob Ross
Bob Ross.
painting little happy
So-
trees. All right, I'm gonna
This will be
since you
the
seem like you know what you're
mountains in
doing
the
here,
distance.
I'm gonna start interviewing you.
Snow-capped.
So when I initially told you that I was thinking about becoming a mascara artist, what were your thoughts?
I said, that sounds great. What does that mean?
Dan, if you don't know Dan is extraordinarily supportive, and basically, although his opinion is the most important one in my life, he's very slow to give it because he wants me to do what I want to do. So you didn't really push back at all when I told him, which is weird because I never even wore makeup before I wore mascara. What are you doing next?
I was going to apply some
Highlight.
to her face. So this is the color matching portion, am I right?
Yeah, well, contour was too, but you actually you picked my color.
Oh, okay.
I can use a few. This is my
And I'm gonna go with,
your contour line is beautiful, hon.
I mean, I can kind of guess
Mm,
which one's yours because it's used more.
it's actually
Right.
not my color though.
No? Okay.
Well,
I'm just gonna
I should have
pick
put the new one in. Because this is my artist palette, so that is it could be used by everybody that I put makeup on, which that color aura is
I'm just gonna
a
pick
very
this
common color.
one in the top left.
Oh Lord. I shouldn't say anything.
Because I don't know, who's talking to me, speaking to me. Oh, that's pretty white. That's okay
That's the lightest color.
though. Is it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I do have them in order.
I don't know what I'm doing. You go under the nose?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And on the nose? Do you contour the nose?
You gotta do it
No.
yourself. You can contour your nose. Yes.
I'm gonna do it. I'm going to attempt to contour the nose. I don't know how to contour. I'm just gonna throw it on. I should probably get a smaller brush. But this will
You're
work.
actually using the correct end of the brush for
Huh?
contour, so.
Switching back to highlight. No, I don't remember.
Now, what made you decide to choose that brush?
This one? I don't know, because the other
Just
one
like
was
it.
dirty with the
Contour.
highlight contour. So I just picked a different brush
Okay.
that was not dirty. And so that was.
Yeah, it's, so you don't need very much.
So any more questions?
Yes.
What do you got?
What do you think mascara has done for me?
What have they done for you? So it's kind of made you to be more outgoing, which I don't know, you tend to be a little more soft-spoken. Doing the YouTube channels, I think, and learning how to do all the computer stuff, because you were fairly computer illiterate.
I still am.
But you're doing much better, and you're able to kind of teach yourself now better than you used to be able to. I've decided she looks a little ghastly, so I'm
What are
going
you
to
gonna do?
switch to another color. This one in the lower left corner. I'm just gonna throw it on top of the other makeup, because why not? So Becca's a nurse, I'm a nurse. Nursing is not an enjoyable profession. You are
For us.
dealing with people in their worst all the time while you're there, and often, sometimes it's good, a lot of the time it's good, a lot of the time it's not good, and it gets really wearisome. It's nice that Becca kind of found another outlet to pursue that she's a little more into, passionate about, etc. And not just like the makeup side of it, but also more helping individuals finding their confidence in their, in themselves and their own skin.
That's what I like most about being an artist. Week, Monday to Friday.
Yeah, got makeup on it. It's alright. I'm gonna go back to the
30-second hack brush. Or the contour. The
contour brush and kind of mush it into the rest of the makeup, because it just looks like a
There's
streak.
also a sponge.
Oh, is that?
You
No,
can
I'm
use
gonna.
whatever you want. You
I'm
can use a
doing
brush.
this first.
Okay.
I'm gonna add more because why not?
Gosh darn it, man.
Finish
I
with
can't
that.
wait to see how the eyes look.
This is a contouring sponge. And I think you just kind of all over the face. Oh, that looks a lot better. Showcase that. It's not such a... I'm gonna keep mushing in the contour. Contour.
Yes.
I'm gonna do some lips and some
Okay.
blush. Now there's several small brushes here. I do not know what any of these do.
Oh, we definitely should
So I'm just gonna pick one, and I'm gonna do eyes first. I kind of like Becca when she wears darker things. I don't know.
Don't dig so hard into my eyeshadow.
I didn't know it was like that. Whoa! Alright, now close your eyes.
You put a lot of eyeshadow.
I'll do a little on one eye and a little bit on the other and get it off.
What would you say to the partner of someone who's deciding whether or not to become an artist? What would you say to them?
Say, be supportive.
Dan!
Just kidding. Close your eyes.
I'll help a little bit.
Do I just like go all the way up to your eyebrows?
So,
Or
you could fix those eyes. You'll just need to blend them out a little bit. I was just telling my ladies, blending is key to an eye look.
do I, so I asked you before, does it go all the way up to the eyebrow or not?
Do you ever see me put purple all the way up to my eyebrow?
Is it just like you're dusting? And that's that?
Yeah, you
I should draw cat eyes on you. Is that
Do
what they're
whatever.
called?
can do whatever you want.
Close your eyes.
Oh my god.
Yeah. I like it.
That's right, I felt way further out than that.
Bring that little Cleopatra style. Queen of the Nile. It's getting worse and worse. Let me try blending it. It worked well on the
I
other
know.
parts.
That's why I told you. Blending is key.
I'm blending it right now.
You're blending with a blending sponge.
I'm gonna use this brush for blush. I'm gonna pick dark because I like dark.
He does like the dark colors. You hate when I wear pink. Pink lips or something. What?
Nothing. Just my thinking face. And I'm mush it in a little bit. And just all the way.
Don't make me laugh.
Nice.
Hey
It's good.
man, I can't line a lip, so
Oh, bad. So for our anniversary, we're getting a hotel in Worcester. We live in Worcester. That's what happens when you have kids. You have to stay local.
before we had kids, we spent our first 4 anniversaries. One was in Germany. One was we rented a cabin in Vermont. We went to New York City one year. This year we're staying in our...
Then we started doing nothing. And then now we're going to a hotel.
in the same city that we live. Well, Dan, you need to at least do the finishing touches to the 3D foundation, which is the illuminator. It's back to the lip and cheek section. There's the sparkly ones right here. Pick one of those. And
They look like soap, kind of. What do I do with them?
you I'll let you know this part.
I put them on a brush,
You put
or
them here. I just use my finger. You put it on top of my cheekbone to give me that candlelit glow to catch the light.
what is on your face? Is this clown paint? Do you like my Cleopatra?
I do.
It needs to be tighter,
Needs to be tighter,
like finer.
Yeah.
Finer line.
skinnier, like.
Yeah.
Actually, I really like your blush application method. It's not bad.
Thanks.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video and you want to see more, please click subscribe. I'll link all of my information down in the description box. Remember, keep blooming.
Shimmermarinky dinky ding, shimmermarinky doo. I love you. I really mean it.
I
Okay,
love
goodbye.